So when the hormonal imbalance happens, see, our body gives signals,
Yeah,
right?
it does.
So what are the signals? What are the early signals for people to understand, okay, there is something coming up?
See, the basic signs of hormonal shifts and hormonal imbalances, which body always gives, but it is we who ignore it.
Right.
Yeah, they are basic things like आप किसी को काफी दिन के बाद मिलोगे, तो first thing you'll observe is how come you have gained so much weight or how come you have become so thin drastically in a short period of time. The first thing is that if I'll meet you after 6 months, I'll say, Sonia ji, you have gained weight.
Right.
Are you okay? Right? So sudden weight gain or weight loss, sudden drastic acne breakouts, which are typical hormonal acne, which we call cystic acne.
Okay.
More over on your chin.
Okay.
Okay. So these are the signs that your hormonal imbalance is happening somewhere. Okay. There is chronic fatigue. आप थोड़ा सा काम कर रहे हैं लेकिन आप थक रहे हैं. That is showing you an hormonal imbalance. There is sleeplessness. Either you are sleeping too much,
Okay.
or you are finding difficulty to sleep, or specifically when you are under stress, between 2 to 4 a.m., you'll wake up. This happens because of cortisol. The imbalance between cortisol and melatonin. Melatonin is the sleep hormone and cortisol is the stress hormone. So whenever there is an imbalance between that, your sleep cycle will start getting affected. Right. So, that hair thinning, sudden lot of hair loss, the basic signs of hormonal shifts the body will throw will always be on the outer parts. Now, why this happens is also you must have noticed one of the very striking symptom of hormonal shift is belly fat. People are fit, they're eating well, they're working out well, but then belly fat is not going. So
Right.
this belly fat is the cortisol hormone. Okay. Now, what happens is when there is adrenal fatigue, your cortisol is crashing. Okay. And there is a lot of stress in the body. Okay. Your body is telling, what should I do now? Okay. There is excess of everything. There's excess of toxins, excess of glucose, excess of hormones, excess of fat, or excess of some severe mental stress and pressure.
Okay.
So the body starts thinking, I have to do something now. Okay, I can't take this to heart, lungs, and brain, which are the vital organs. I have to protect this human. So what I'll do, I'll start depositing this fat around the belly first.
Okay.
Then slowly and gradually I'll deposit around the thighs and the buttocks and the arms. And let me protect this body. This, if only you could listen to the body, which the body usually talks, but it is we who are not listening to it.
True.
Okay. And we are looking into the mirror and we are thinking, oh my God, this stubborn belly fat is just not going. Let me go for crash diets. I'll work out more. I'll burn out more. I'll do everything. But darling, you're not understanding. It is trying to save you. See, human body, your mind is a supremacy. It is your ally. It's your best friend. It will always try to protect you. But you just need to be conscious in talking with your body. It will always give you signs. So what it does is it throws signs outside on the skin, lesser important parts where it can withhold this imbalance.
Right.
And once you have crossed this thing, then the body goes into a complete shutdown phase. A female body especially, for them, safety is a massive concern, not in the masculine body. So what happens is in these patients who have infertility because of hormonal imbalances like PCOS or whatever, but they are not able to conceive, the body has gone into a complete shutdown mechanism. I'm not feeling safe. I will not do anything. I will not even lose weight. I will not regenerate. I will not generate the ovum or the potential embryo. Now, why this happens, why you're not able to conceive, the body is finding something really stressful in your environment where it is not finding it safe for the potential embryo to grow. It can be anything, a traumatic event, sudden drastic change in your lifestyle, in your diet, maybe a course of antibiotic or steroids, maybe lack of nutrition, or this hormonal shift, sudden severe depression, or some traumatic mental event. So your body will go on a shutdown mechanism. Actually, it's a restorative mechanism to protect your body from something else. And you start feeling, I have become infertile. You become desperate. I have to do something about this. And then you go into this vicious hormonal cycles. But it is how beautiful that your body has actually gone into this safety mechanism, because it knows that when you go into this vicious hormonal cycle, you will ingest hormones, which will in turn might be give you baby, but then you're going to harm your body more.
Absolutely. Sure, doctor, it's the first time I'm hearing this angle to the whole situation whereby you can actually say fat is beautiful. That means because it is showing you that in future there's a bigger problem coming. Protect your, I mean, the moment you say fat has gone to the least important parts, saving your vital organs, I think this is such a beautiful explanation, and I hope people out there are really understanding that the body is giving such amazing symptoms.
Yeah, and
You know,
and that's also why it is getting accumulated around belly, because liver is there,
right?
right? And fat and liver, we all know.
Absolutely.
Right. So, need to understand and align with your body. It's your best friend. It's your ally. It will always protect you.